good when you're recording.
Okay, we're ready. 3, 2, 1, action.
U.S. Air Force F-22 Raptors experienced engine-related emergencies this month. The separate incidents occurred just a week apart from one another. On April 6, 2018, a F-22 Raptor of the Alaska-based 3rd Wing, flying out of Tyndall Air Force Base, experienced an engine failure, but the fighter landed safely. A week later, another Raptor from the same squadron experienced a mishap during landing, damaging the belly of the aircraft. We can confirm that a 3WG F-22, assigned to the 90th Fighter Squadron, recently experienced an in-flight engine failure while operating out of Tyndall. The aircraft was able to land safely, Second Lieutenant Bridget Brantley, a public affairs officer for the 673rd Air Base Wing, told Military.com. The pilot was unhurt in the incident. The incident occurred 1 week before an even more serious incident, in which a Raptor experienced engine problems during takeoff. The plane, which had already retracted its landing gear, bounced back to the runway and reportedly skidded for more than a mile before coming to a stop. In a statement to Popular Mechanics, the Air Force said, on Friday, April 13, 2018, an F-22 from the 90th Fighter Squadron in the 3rd Wing at Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson, JBER, skidded to a stop on the runway of Naval Air Station, Fallon in Nevada, shortly after takeoff. The pilot egressed the aircraft safely. The aircraft was at NAS Fallon to participate in a training exercise with the U.S. Navy. Right double quotation mark. As for the fate of the aircraft, the Air Force added, we can confirm that the aircraft was later hoisted into a position where the landing gear could be extended and locked. The aircraft was then towed to a position where damage and repairs can be evaluated. Left double quotation mark. In service since December 2005, Lockheed Martin's F-22 Raptor was the world's first fifth-generation fighter jet. It is also generally considered the best fighter jet flying, due to its combination of speed, maneuverability, stealth, sensors, and weapons. The Air Force has 187 of the highly maneuverable, radar-evading planes. Both Raptors were assigned to the 3rd Wing, 90th Fighter Squadron of JBER. According to Military.com, the Air Force is investigating what caused the mishaps to occur so close to one another.
The guy's name is Psycho or something like that. I think it is.